students, welcome to the online class session of accountancy. The code of accountancy, I think you remember, it is 055. Okay, very important. Now again in this online class session of accountancy, I will explain you the chapter change in profit sharing ratio among existing partners, and the topic to be explained to you is, the new topic is there, accounting treatment of goodwill when there is change in profit sharing ratio among existing partners. Okay, now what is happening due to change in profit sharing ratio among the existing partner? What will be the treatment of goodwill? Due to change in profit sharing ratio among the existing partner, there will be some partners who will sacrifice or who have to sacrifice, and the other partner or other partners have to gain. Okay, because of change in profit sharing ratio. So due to sacrifice and gain of the partners, what will be goodwill treatment, that will be explained to you here in this online class session of accountancy. But before that, you keep in mind the rule for passing journal entry under this topic is gaining partners capital account is debited always, and the sacrificing partners capital account is credited always. Okay, whosoever will sacrifice, he or she, whosoever is there, capital account of that concerned partner will be credited, and the gaining partner's capital will be debited with his share of gain out of total firm's goodwill. Right. Now, first of all, what we need here, we need to find out the goodwill of the firm. Now, first of all, I am reading out the question. Let us see that what is asked in the question. For just seeing the problem, for finding the what is the problem here in the question, already I told you that you read out the last line. In the last line it is written, pass the necessary journal entry for the treatment of goodwill. We have to pass the journal entry for the treatment of goodwill, and already I have told you the rule regarding passing the journal entry when goodwill treatment is to be done due to change in profit sharing ratio, and the rule is gaining partners capital account will be debited and sacrificing partners capital account will be credited. Okay, so first of all, let us read out the question. A and B are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:1. There are two partners within the partnership firm, A and B, and the profit sharing ratio between these two partners, A and B, is 3:1. Okay, when you will add 3 and 1, you will get denominator 4. Okay, out of 4 parts done of the total firm, the 3 part belongs to A and 1 part belongs to B. Okay, means between A and B, when the profit or losses is to be divided, then that profit and losses were always divided in 4 parts, and 3 parts belongs to A and 1 part belongs to B. Okay, so this is the old profit sharing ratio among A and B. Now further reading out the question, it was decided that with effect from 1st April 2015, the profit sharing ratio will be 5:3. The new profit sharing ratio between A and B will be 5:3. Okay, the same procedure we will be adopting. We will add 5 and 3 and we will get denominator 8. Okay, means according to new profit sharing ratio between A and B, the profit and losses is to be divided in 8 parts, and out of those 8 parts, 5 part will belong to A and 3 part will belong to B. Okay, now we need to find out the sacrifice or gain of A and B. For finding it out, we have to use the formula. I have already explained you in the beginning the formula for calculating sacrifice or gaining ratio. Sacrifice or gain is equal to old ratio. OR means old ratio. This is old ratio. NR means new ratio. This is new ratio. Okay. When we will just subtract these two, old and new ratios, then we will get sacrifice or gain of the partner. Any two condition may be there, whether the condition may be the sacrificing or the condition may be gaining condition. Okay, of the concerned partner. Let us find out the sacrifice or gain of first A. A's old ratio, or say old share, is 3/4 and A's new share is 5/8. Okay, just subtract these two. 3/4 minus 5/8. Simplify it. We will be getting 1/8. If we get answer in positive figure, then it means that the concerned partner is sacrificing, and on just using the formula, in case of B's old share is 1/4 and new share is 3/8. We are getting answer in negative figure. Minus 1/8. Negative figure means the negative of sacrifice. The negative or opposite of sacrifice is gain. Means one partner B is gaining and another partner A is sacrificing. Already I told you how the journal entry will be passed. The gaining partner will be debited and sacrificing partner will be credited. And so I have done here by passing the journal entry. B's capital account was debited by me or is debited by me, say, and A's capital is credited by me. Okay. Now what will be the amount? How this amount 9,000 will be calculated? This is to be simplified further. This is the amount of goodwill being sacrificed or gained by A and B. Now let us see how the goodwill is to be calculated here as per the instruction of the question. Goodwill is to be valued at 2 years purchase of average profit of 3 years profit. Okay, goodwill is to be calculated at 2 years means we have to multiply by 2. 2 years purchase of 3 years average profit. This average profit is of 3 years. How this average profit can be calculated? Just let us see what are the 3 years profit. The 3 years profit are 36,000, 32,000, 40,000 as mentioned in the question. Okay, these 3 profits are mentioned in the question. Just take the total of these 3 profits, divide by 3, you will get average profit. Average profit is 36,000. This figure of average profit is to be placed in place of average profit. 36,000. Okay, we need to multiply it by 2. When we will multiply average profit by 2 years purchase or say 2, we will get the answer 72,000. This is the value of the total firm's goodwill. Okay, now on the basis of this total firm's goodwill, we can easily calculate the sacrifice and the gain of B. Sacrifice of A is 1/8. 1/8 multiplied by 72,000, the total firm goodwill, we will be getting answer 9,000 rupees. And similarly, B's gain will be 1/8 of 72,000, that is 9,000. Because A is sacrificing 1/8, B is gaining 1/8. So the same amount will be there after simplification of gain and sacrifice. Okay, 9,000, 9,000. But for passing journal entry, what we need to do? We need to just credit sacrificing partner capital and debit gaining partner capital. So B's capital account will be debited and A's capital account will be credited by the amount we have calculated here, 9,000 rupees. Okay. So have a look over the solution of the question. once again and take the screenshot of the left hand side solution of question number 21 related to DB coil. Take the screenshot and just what you need to do, you need to just fill it up. Okay. Now take the screenshot of the right hand side solution of question number 21. Take the screenshot here. Now take the screenshot of the remaining portion of question number 21. Okay. The whole explanation of question number 21 will be shared by me in the form of YouTube video link on your class group, that is WhatsApp group. Okay, repeatedly you watch the video. Okay, twice, thrice, and get your each and every doubts clear. But if doubt exists after repeatedly watching, then you can just ask your problems, share your problems with me on my personal WhatsApp number. Your problems will be solved, and whatever homework I am just giving you, okay, right? You can see the homework in your class group. Okay, that homework is to be shared in the concerned accountancy homework group. Okay, right? That is 12th A or 12th B accountancy homework group. Okay, the groups we have made, we have created the groups, and in those groups you have to share your homework in PDF format only. Okay, right? That's all for today. Have a nice day.